When all is said and done, ladies and gentlemen, it's very easy for us to sit here and criticise family law, perhaps justifiably. But there is little doubt that recent changes in the law, primarily the Family Law Amendment Shared Parental Responsibility Act of 2006, try saying that quickly 5 times, has at least set men on what I consider to be the road not necessarily leading to complete equality per se, but a type of quasi-equality of recognition. I believe it is important for us to remember a number of things in regards to our judgments and perceptions. Firstly, the new laws haven't really been around for that long. Statistics haven't really been given the opportunity of catching up to the reality and implementation of the shared care presumption in parenting matters. Secondly, I believe it may very well take a generational change at the bench, and indeed society as a whole for that matter, for the full effect of legislative change to take full effect. And thirdly, domestic violence seems like it will always be a determinative factor in family law cases. According to a judicial officer at the Sydney Registry recently, it is estimated that over 50% of all cases brought before the court involve allegations of domestic violence in one form or another. Now, while many allegations may be supported by evidence, there's no escaping that, it is notable that as much as 50% of those allegations are not proven. But by that time, it is too late for the man, because an allegation of domestic violence rebuts the presumption of shared care in parenting matters. According to an article in the Sydney Morning Herald last month, a Sydney University academic, Leslie Lane, said that almost 50% of Australians surveyed, and I quote, believed women in custody battles, made up or exaggerated claims of abuse and violence, even though the evidence was to the contrary. Then that may be. While it is by no means a criticism of the topic organisers this evening, the topic itself presupposes that because there is a loser in family law, our powers of deduction tell us that there must be a winner. But that is the fatal flaw in this topic. I'm here to tell you tonight that as a person who lives and breathes family law on a daily basis, yes, on most weekends too, there are only Pyrrhic winners in family law, or put another way, there are only varying degrees of loss. Essentially, it is a matter of who loses less. But in every which way you look at it, the man and the woman, and the children, if any, always come out of family law proceedings as losers for having submitted their destiny, at least in some way, to the courts and not their own wills.